Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to switch to Google Sheets from Microsoft Excel. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to switch to Google Sheets from Microsoft Excel. The first thing to do is to go to Google Sheets and log in with your Google account. If you don't have an account, then you need to create one. Once you're done, you need to upload your Excel file to Google Sheets. Now, there are two ways to upload your Excel files into Google Sheets. The first thing to do is to open your Google Sheets and head over to File, which is at the top left corner of your screen, and click on Import. So once you click on Import, the next thing to do is to click on Upload. And go ahead and select your Excel file from your computer by dragging the file from here or choosing Browse. So once you click on Browse, it takes you to your window. Now click on Open. The next thing to do is to choose the location, right? You have to select your import location. So you can click on this drop-down menu and you can choose to replace spreadsheet, or you can choose insert new sheet, or you can choose replace data starting at selected cell. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on create new spreadsheet and click on import data, and you see that it will be imported. That's the Excel file will now be imported into Google Sheets, and you see the success file imported. Now go ahead and click on open now for it to be open in another tab entirely. So this is it. So I'm going back to this and I'm just going to click on cancel. The next option that you can use is to upload via Google Drive. So open your Google Drive, then click on the new button in the top left corner of your Google Drive. Then select File Upload and choose the Excel file you want to upload. Now, once the file is uploaded, right click on it, then select Open With and click on Google Sheets to convert and open it in Google Sheets. That's the next step to take. And then you can also convert Excel files to Google Sheets format. So after opening your Excel file in Google Sheets, you can save it as a Google Sheet file, which is here. So you can just go ahead and click on, See Document Status, or you can click on this Share button, or however, click on the Share button, and before you share, you're going to be asked to name and, of course, save the file. And once you're done, it just saves as a Google Sheet on its own. So once you do that, just know that it creates a copy of the document in Google Sheets format. All right. So save it as Google. So head over to, so let's say, for example, this is the Excel sheet and you want to save it as Google Sheet formats, just head over to File. And once you click on File, go ahead and click. All right. That's the settings. So practically, once you have saved it, you can see that it's now book tree, and of course it's in a Google Sheet format already. This is how it works. So you also need to understand the compatibility and feature differences between Google Sheets and Excel. So Google Sheets supports most Excel features, but some advanced Excel specific features like VBA macros, certain chart types, and pivot tables might not work fully. So if there are complex formulas or VBA code in the Excel file, review them in a Google Sheets to ensure they work as expected, and you may need to adjust formulas or use Google Apps Script as an alternative to Excel VBA. You also need to learn key differences between Google Sheets and Excel and get familiar with Google Sheets key features. Also, use Google Sheets offline, which is optional, and start creating and managing files in your Google Sheets. You can also export Google Sheets back to Excel if needed. And how do you do that? Go to File and go to Download and go to Microsoft Excel to download it as that. So by following the steps, you can easily switch from Microsoft Excel to Google Sheets and start enjoying Google's cloud-based tools for organizing and sharing your data. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.